Most traders rely on indicators. They wait for RSI, MACD, or moving averages to tell them what to do. By the time they enter, it's already too late. You don't need that. You just need a clean chart, your eyes, and 3 simple steps. In this video, I'll show you how to trade using pure price action. No indicators, no guessing. Just a simple, powerful 3-step system that works on gold, EURUSD, and GBPUSD. Stay till the end because I'll also show you live examples of real entries and exits that you can copy today. Welcome back to another video, traders. If you're tired of overcomplicated charts full of indicators, this video will change the way you trade forever. So grab your notebook and let's begin. Step 1. Identify the market structure. First thing, open your chart on the 1-hour or 4-hour time frame. Zoom out. Forget indicators for a second and just look at the structure. Ask yourself one question. Is the market making higher highs and higher lows? Then it's an uptrend. Is it making lower highs and lower lows? Then it's a downtrend. That's it. You've just identified the direction where big money is moving. Never trade against it. If the trend is bullish, you only look for buys. If the trend is bearish, you only look for sells. This one rule alone will filter out 70% of bad trades. Professional traders don't predict direction, they follow it. Step 2. Mark key zones. Now that you know the direction, it's time to mark your battlefield, your key zones. Look left. Find levels where price has reversed multiple times. These are your support and resistance zones. Support means buyers are waiting. Resistance means sellers are waiting. Mark these levels cleanly. Keep your chart simple, only the zones that really matter. You don't need 10 lines, just 2 or 3 strong ones are enough. Now here's the key. Wait for price to come back to your zone. Patience is what separates winners from losers. You're not reacting to the market, you're waiting for the market to come to you. Step 3. Confirm the entry. When price reaches your zone, you don't enter right away. You wait for confirmation. Look for rejection candles, like pin bars, engulfing candles, or a break and retest. For example, if the market comes to support and forms a strong bullish engulfing candle, you enter a buy on the next candle. Your stop loss goes below that rejection candle. Your take profit is set at least 1 to 2 risk-to-reward ratio. If the market hits resistance and prints a bearish engulfing candle, you enter a sell. Stop loss above the rejection candle. Target the same 1 to 2 reward. You don't need to predict how far price will go. You just need to react when the market confirms your setup. Bonus tip. Now listen carefully. The best traders don't take every trade they see. They wait for A-plus setups only. If you miss a trade, don't chase it. Let it go. The market will give you hundreds of new chances every week. Focus on quality, not quantity. Also, manage your risk. Never risk more than 1% of your account per trade. This keeps you safe even if a few trades go wrong. Trading is not about being right every time. It's about protecting your capital and growing it slowly. Now you know how the 3-step Forex strategy works. You've learned how to read structure, mark zones, and enter using pure price action. If this helped you, comment Price Action Master below. I'll know you're serious about improving. Subscribe for more powerful trading lessons like this. Turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. Trade smart, stay disciplined. See you in the next video.